Here is how to use Minea to find your winning product. Hey everyone and welcome, I hope you're all doing great, and before you comment on it you can actually pronounce it either Minea or Minea. It just depends on how you want to say it. I will just stick with Minea for the sake of this video. So in this video I'll be walking you through the steps that you would take to use Minea to find winning products. That is going to be for the free trial, because if we just jump into it, it's going to be a paid service. It's not going to be completely for free. It does give you a free trial, which is going to give you access to, if you see the top dashboard here, is going to give you 100 credits, and it's going to give you only the option to use the ads here. So the rest, like shops, products, and so on, is going to be behind the paywall, and you could actually go ahead and after using the free trial, sign up to subscribe to the other plans. But let me just go ahead and first mention the plans that are available and what they can do for you. There are going to be 3 plans here: starter, premium, and business, and you can see what they can give you. So the credits, and I'm not going to go over how you can use the credits because there's a whole section in Minea that you can go check out on how to use the credits and how much credits are used for each specific task. But you can go ahead, feel free to check out this website here and go to the pricing and compare everything yourself and see which one suits you best. But let's actually just jump into it and try the free trial and see how much we can use to find the winning product and what we can do to actually compensate without paying. So let's just go ahead and close out of this. So here is going to be the dashboard for Minea. Obviously you can register and create an account for free, and we can just go ahead and go to shops, not shops, I mean ads. Or let's actually go to the dashboard first. Within the dashboard you're going to find the top 10 products of the day, which is very good, like considering it's for free. Is going to give you an idea on the products that are very popular for this specific day. And you just hope that it is going to be a part of your niche and it's not something that is, not something that you're looking for. But usually it's going to be a good idea for you to go to the dashboard first and check out the top 10 winning products. Then what you can do is go to ads. Here is going to be where you will be doing all the work to actually find the product that you want and see how people are doing and how popular that specific product is. So it's going to be based on ads. You are not going to be searching for products. That is going to be from here, and like we said, it's not going to be for free, but we can search for ads and see how much like how good they are doing for our products. So first you would choose Facebook, Pinterest, or TikTok ads that you want to be seeing, and then we will start with filters from the right. So we can just select here, and you select the one that you prefer the most. It could be like a date of creation or whatever it may be, but most of the time what you would search for or view, you would be the likes. But at the same time, if you view this filter by likes, it's going to be the area of high competition. So we don't really want to go to an area where it's fully competitive. So I would recommend just keeping it on last seen, and we set up the other sort of filters. By the way, all of these filters are going to be after you search for your niche. So if you're selling toasters, you just type in toaster, and just after you type in the niche that you are working on, that's when you actually apply the filters. Now if you want to change this or not, it's going to be completely up to you, but what I recommend is going to the filters on the left side. This is going to be a more specific filter system, which is going to give you more detailed products or more accurate results on what you want. Here we can set the dates. So seen date, first seen date, last seen date, creation date. But the most important few filters here are going to be the if you want to use CTA here, also you can do that. But e-commerce platform is a very important one. So this is going to be a product that is used on Shopify, WooCommerce, or whatever e-commerce platform that it is on. Is going to give you more of an idea of a specific e-commerce platform and how well this product is doing in that area. So for example, if you're mainly using Shopify, go ahead and select Shopify and just click on apply. Now I think I will need to log in, but it doesn't really matter. It's just going to show you the products. So that's for the e-commerce platform. Again, if you want to do call to action, things like that, you will also have these options to choose from as filters. And then we can do languages. Languages is going to be for those who like their products actually matter and which language they are in. So if that really is something that you're looking for, you can just select the language that you want. So that's another thing from filters. And now the likes that we just talked about, we don't want too much competition, like I said, from this filter, because this is going to give you just the best ones. In here, we can choose a few options, either low engagement. So if you want no competition at all, and I don't really recommend this, we can also choose medium engagement and then high engagement. So you can go for medium engagement, and if you want to be more specific, you can enter the minimum amount of likes, like let's just say 50 to 1,000, and then you can just hit apply, and it's going to give you this result over here as filtering, and it's going to be very, very excellent. And then you can also specify comments, shares, and reactions. Reactions are things like, wow, love, and all of those things from Facebook, which just, gives you another idea that people are loving this product. And then you can also do more filtering here from targeting audience, so by age or sex. And then we can also use countries. So if you want a product that is related more to a specific country, and you want to see how well it is doing in a specific country, you can also use this filter. And then you can also do more in here if I missed anything. Same goes for Pinterest, TikTok, and so on. So after you apply your filters, very simply, you will find another list of products. I would need to log in, and I'm not going to. But you will find a different list of products that should match the filtering that we have just created. Now products adds 4 products. But anyway, what you can do now is find a specific one that you like. For example, this one for a cat litter. You can just first, before you even click on it, you can see the likes, comments, and shares. This one has 15k, so you can already know that it is a very good product. People love it, people are liking it, so that already says it's a green flag. So we can just click on it, and in here we've got a few options. Here you can obviously just watch the whole video first for yourself, and then we can do see add post. If we click on this, it's going to actually open up your Facebook, and it's going to direct you to this exact ad post. And then we can also click on show more, where we can read the description, and obviously don't copy descriptions. Make sure that you write a very suitable description that is actually fitting to your product and describing it fully. And then you will find more information. For example, the status, it is running, and then you will find the shop. It is a Shopify, which is interesting. We've got the language, and then we've got running for, created at, first seen, last seen, and then we'll also have the engagement. So from here we can actually find a lot of information about the product, and you can also find a link. Because I'm not logged in, it's not going to show me, and also because I don't have credits. But if you do, it's going to actually show you the link to the actual product, or to the actual product. Now this link right here that I just highlighted is from the description, so it's not from Minea, but Minea actually provides you with the link to the product. So the point here is you will find plenty of products that you can just click on, find, and like. see more about them, see the engagement with them. But that's pretty much it. And you will also see links to sellers that sell the same thing within AliExpress. It's going to be right like the same area we'll find see in post from see ad post here. You can find lists of people that are selling it from AliExpress, where you can filter things out and see for yourself. But then this is why I'm telling you, you can go without paying for this, and you can also go ahead and pay for it. The difference is this saves you a lot of time, but you can also do it for free, but it may take you more time because, for example, you find this product, right? What you would do instead of paying it for credits, you can just find the name and then copy it in AliExpress and then do the whole rest of the process yourself and just do more or research outside of Minea. This is going to give you the base or the foundation of the research, and then you will need to do more unless you pay for it. If you pay for it, it's going to give you a lot more. Same goes for products here, which is going to showcase like right away winning products without ads, without anything, like here. And then you can also compare shops and so on. And you also get magic search, which is going to use AI. So this is basically how you can use Minea for free and find the winning products using these ads that we can see in front of us, and then doing more research to actually find the winning product. So I hope this video kind of showed you how to do it and helped you out, and that's pretty much it. I hope you liked this video, and thanks for watching.